The distance across a sink drain is 3.8 centimeters. Estimate the radius. Use 3.14 for pi. Do not include the unit centimeters in your answer. So let's begin by doing a sketch. So I'm just going to sketch my circle. And it says the distance across the sink drain is 3.8 centimeters. Now, as soon as I start hearing about distance across with a circular object, that's when I know that I'm looking at the diameter. So we know that the diameter is 3.8 centimeters. Now, we're supposed to estimate the radius. And I also know that one of the things is that a diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. Or I can think about it as the radius is equal to half of the diameter. So I can use those to actually calculate the radius, right? So I'll do R equals 1/2 times 3.8, and that gives me an answer of 1.9. So 1.9 centimeters is the radius. If you chose the wrong answer, that the radius is equal to 1.4 centimeters, I'm thinking that there are a couple of strategies that can help you as you move forward. So the first one is, like I said here, I would sketch. As soon as I started to sketch this, I realized that I did know what the distance across the drain was. That's the diameter. And then I knew that I would be drawing the radius and that it would be the distance from the center back out to the edge. That's the definition of radius. So doing the drawing really helped me improve my accuracy when I sat down to do this problem. From there, I just needed to also pay attention to the formula. So maybe you needed to know the formula, or maybe you needed to practice some of your vocabulary. Maybe you weren't sure what the word radius meant. We have radius, circumference, diameter. These are all sort of unusual words that we use with circles. So another strategy that you might use, another recommendation I have, is to memorize those words and their definitions so that you can use them quickly, easily, and efficiently. So those are things that you might try to think of doing as you think about moving forward in the circle unit.